Welcome back to the Making a Song video series. We've been working on creating a fun song about a bologna sandwich. And in this video, we finish it all up. Okay, now we've already made both our lyrics and our music. Let's first look at our lyrics. Remember, the word lyrics refers to the words in our song. Our lyrics rhyme, and each line of lyrics is about the same length. Now, let's hear our music. I used 3 main instruments. The drums, or percussion, which sets the tempo and provides the rhythm. The acoustic guitar, which provides the chords you will hear and the high-end sound. And if you listen close, you will also hear the bass guitar for the low end, or the low-pitched musical sounds. Let's put everything together to create our final song. We just need to add in our vocals, or the singing part. Yeah, when we sing our words with a melody, that's called vocals. Very different from something like poetry, where the words are spoken. In a song, the words, or lyrics, are sung, and that's our vocals. Now remember, it's our song, so this is our melody as well. We can decide how the vocals will sound, but we do want to make sure it sounds good with the music and it fits musically. We want to make sure it's pleasing to the ear. Yeah, and usually each chorus that we sing will have the same melody, and each verse will carry the same melody as well. We can play with the pitch of the words that we sing. Remember, pitch is how high or low something sounds. And we can also play with how long we hold out each word or a syllable as we sing. We'll start by looking at the chorus. I'm looking to see if any words or groups of words jump out at me. I like the way the phrase, "when I'm in the mood" sounds. It kind of rolls off the tongue. When I'm in the mood. 5 quick syllables. The words sound nice when they are said together quickly, when I'm in the mood. I'll make sure to sing these words quickly and close together. I also think the word bologna is just a fun-sounding word. When I sing this word, I'll try to separate it a little bit from the other words so that it stands out. So maybe our chorus will go something like this. There's one thing I like to eat when I'm in the mood for a tasty treat. Bologna always tastes so yummy, it gives me a happy tummy. Not bad. Okay, now let's look at how the verses might sound. For the verse, maybe I'll think about pitch. It could be cool to start singing at a higher pitch and work down towards a lower pitch when we sing the verses. A little like this. Bologna sandwich on a plate. Bologna sandwich, it tastes great. Making one can be such fun. I eat it up. Yum, yum, yum. I think that works pretty good. Would you agree? Now, let's listen to the whole song. Music plus vocals, all as one nice finished song. And it will go verse, chorus, verse, chorus. Are you ready? Let's listen.
Bologna sandwich on a plate. Bologna sandwich, it tastes great. Making one can be such fun. I eat it up. Yum, yum, yum. There's one thing I like to eat when I'm in the mood for a tasty treat. Bologna always tastes so yummy, it gives gives me a happy tummy. Bread, bologna, cheese, bread. Some people like to use ham instead, but not me. I won't change my mind. My sandwich will have bologna inside. There's one thing I like to eat when I'm in the mood for a tasty treat. Bologna always tastes so yummy. It gives me a happy tummy.
Not bad. I think we might have a hit on our hands. And now that you've seen how a song is made from beginning to end, well, maybe it's your turn to create a song of your own. And remember, if it's your song, you can make all of the decisions, like what the song is about and what kind of instruments are used. Or maybe you want to sing a song a cappella, which means just using your voice. It's totally up to you. You might even want to make sure there is a kazoo part in there. Have fun!